So this is what happened to me in Rage in Subway Town. As you're taking that little elevator down to your hideout, try to jump off of it before it goes all the way down and you'll get stuck. And as soon as you crouch, you can fall underneath the map. And look at all the cool stuff. So I guess that's kind of neat. Uh-oh, lost the town. Oh, there it is. You can see the arc from the bottom. That's pretty cool. And there's your base. Let's see. There's the garage. Tunnel. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Good thing there's autosaves because I hadn't saved for a while.